Final exam 1C. Same question we've seen a million times. Stuff coming off the shelf, stuff going on the shelf, people going into the building, people going out of the building, water going into the tank, water going out of the tank. Here we have fish entering the lake, that trig function, and then logarithm function, fish leaving the lake. Okay? Remember the key to this question in terms of finding the absolute max and min is as long as E is bigger than L, the fish population is going up because more fish are entering than leaving. Whenever L is bigger than E, that means there are more fish leaving the tank than entering the tank. And so the moment in time that a function is going to be at its absolute max or min in this particular scenario is when L equals E. So until this time, the fish population is going up. So the fish population goes up until that moment in time and then comes down. Now the question was, when is the greatest number of fish going to be in the lake? It's going to be right there, okay, for a couple of reasons. One is there's only one max or min, and when there's only one max or min, it goes up and then down, so that's one. Or we could check the endpoints too, which is I think what the AP exam did. I'm going to argue that since there's only one critical number right there, and then since there's only one critical number, that means there are more fish entering than leaving, so the population is going to go up until that moment in time and then start to come down. That's not 8, 8's over here. What number is that? So then you use your intersection function and you get 6.20365. 6.20. And you want a few extra decimal places here. 356. Okay, so now, remember what we just said there was when the amount entering is leaving. Now that's not actually, that is the intuitive, that's the way I've always kind of explained it. But really what's happening here is the total number of the fish is the integral from 0 to 6.20356 of E minus, those are the fish that went into the lake, minus the integral of 0 to 6.20356 of the fish that leave the lake. Now, and then when you put that in, you get 135.01. Let's just say 135 because you got to have like full fish, right? You don't want part of the fish, I don't think. So you want to have 135. Now, keep in mind, I do it intuitively. And I say, okay, when will the maximum population or minimum population occur? When the rate going in equals the rate going out. Because if they're not equal, one is bigger than the other, so it's either going up or down, so it's not at a max or a min. It's going to reach a max or min when the L equals the E. But if you look at the original equation, take the derivative here of T, you get E minus L, and that has to be 0, so you get the same idea this way. This is the way the AP exam usually explains it. I prefer to do it the way I did, but that's kind of up to you. Okay, that's 1C.